We're here at O'Brien again for a slightly different challenge.
You ready, Lowndes?
Hey! These guys are going to show you what this Rain Tech rain repellent does to your windscreen. But the loser is going to get smashed.
You idiots. Soak the paper towel. Start this motion here, cover it right around the glass.
So once you've applied, how long does it last?
Okay, it will last up to about 12 months, depending on the conditions that you're driving in.
What does it actually do?
What it'll do is actually beat off the water really quickly.
Okay, cool. So you know a big difference between that application and the standard window?
100%.
Great, so we've got a challenge for these two guys, so it's going to be a lot of fun. This is the challenge. One half of this windscreen's been done, the other half hasn't. You guys got to choose which side you want. Don't forget, big stakes for the loser.
Your call, your call. I'm going this one.
All right.
Left.
We'll get inside and watch these guys have a bit of fun. Oh, hey! Not us, the windscreen.
You ready, Lowndes?
3, 2, 1, go! Come on!
How's the difference?
I'm not looking good. No doubt SVG takes out the challenge! Woo. You're going down.
Yes.
You're going down. Go get it!
Yeah, that sucks to lose that. Bloody hell.
That's it.
Yeah, beautiful, mate, beautiful.